Sometimes when we're doing a seasonal change, we can cough a little bit because of the allergy. And then usually this kind of cough can be relieved without any medication. So there are certain acupoints that you can press on. So one of it is called Hegu, Li4. So it's actually in between your thumb and index finger, and then just press down. It's not really a precise point, so press down on the point that you feel the most sensitive. And that in Li4 is the point that actually is a master point in TCM that help kind of open up the gate. It's one of the 4 gate points. So imagine that when you cough, your body tries to open the door and let out the bad air. Helping the body to open the gate can also help that the bad air goes out so that it can help to relieve cough.